Hi, this is Justin Prince. In this training, we're going to cover some of the terms and some of the definitions in the compensation plan to help you understand the compensation plan better. Now, some of these terms at first might seem a little funny, the names or the acronyms, but once you understand them, you'll see what the role they play in understanding the compensation plan. So, what is MP? What is a customer pod? What is CP, OP, and ACC? What do those things mean and how do they affect you? So, first, let's start with this. When you make a purchase of Modere products, there's a point value attached to the dollar purchase. So I'll give you an example. If you log into modere.com and you go shop. So in this case, let's say I want to buy some liquid biocell. It's $140. So this is the dollar amount attached to the purchase of the product. Now, this one is worth 140 points. So what that means is when you spend the $140, our commission is paid on these points. You're eligible, 140 points is eligible to go into the compensation plan to pay the social marketers. Let me give you another example. Let's say you're buying the hair care collection. This is a $69.99 collection, so that's how much the collection costs, and it's worth 59 points. And now you'll notice a little bit of a difference. There's a difference in points versus dollars. The average is about 82 points per dollar. And because we have a varied product line, every product costs different amounts to the company. The cost to produce and manufacture each product is a little bit unique. So there's a little split sometimes in the product from the product price to the points that's paid to the social marketers. So you first have to understand this idea of called points, just this concept right here of these points. Now that we understand points, let's talk about marketer points. That's what MP stands for, is marketer points. What that means is simply this. These are points from products personally purchased by a social marketer. So when a social marketer makes a purchase, that is called marketer points. And it's called marketer points because they're a marketer. They're a social marketer. So their points, the points of their product purchase, is called marketer points. Well, a customer point is called CP because it's a customer making the purchase. So CP is simply points from products purchased by customers in a social marketer's pod, and we're going to talk about a customer pod here in a moment. So what is a customer pod? A personal customer pod. A social marketer's personally sponsored customers and customers they refer. So to illustrate this, you introduce customers. You'll notice that we illustrate this with like a circle around you because your customers don't go into your organization. They don't go into legs and take up positions within your organization. They simply go into a customer pod. When they introduce customers, those customers go into your pod. When they introduce customers, they go into your pod as well. Organizational points includes a social marketer's own marketer points, in other words, your own personal order, and customer points, and all of the marketer points and customer points, all the CP and MP, from all the social marketers in their entire team. In other words, what that means is this. Your own order, your own customer pod, and your entire team's orders and all of their customer pods count as your organizational points. Active customer count simply means the total number of active customers in a social marketer's pod who have purchased products in a given month. Now, it doesn't matter if they're on SmartShip or not on SmartShip. If they make a purchase, that purchase counts towards your active customer count. That's how the definitions work as you're understanding the compensation plan.